Sports ka ulit, ang itlo?
Hey guys, let's
Sa
do
ilan ta?
something fun. Sure, let's watch a movie.
Party, party, party. Road trip, dude.
Why not do everything? Huh? How?
Go to the Star Movies Drive-In Film Fest. Head over to Circuit Makati on March 29. Enjoy the cool drive-in movie screening and fun activity booths, followed by orgasmic DJ party.
Ay. Huwag kang umiyak. Ay, nabalikod.
Really good start. 9-3 here in the first set.
And again, Makatuna was trying to get to it. She got to it earlier. Not this time.
Which is a little, like a millimeter.
Mitsubishi Mirage G4, great play. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 expect more from the small sedan. But you know, if you're FU, you have to treat this also the way Adamson is treating this game. To them, this is do or die. FU has to feel that same way through. If you're FU, diba? Kailangan ganyan yung pakiramdam mo.
Oh yeah, and again, you know, we mentioned it earlier, how close that race is for 3
Right.
and 4. So this game, yeah, we said it's really, really important.
So the decision has been made. The first referee has conferred with our linesman and it was out. Kasi umaangal si Bebang Pineda na pasok daw. Ooh! Ooh!
She had a point.
Oh boy, well she has a point again here. She just swipes it off Kasugod. That was it. It looks, at least from the slow-mo, no?
No, it's so funny because I was looking at the linesman close to the ball. Parang nagdolong, he was gonna signal and then because he pulled it out, that's why Pineda was like, what?
Kaya naman. Pero that's already done. Paat with the right hand.
Ambidextrous.
Paat's going to be crucial in this match also, Noreen.
Yeah.
Cut shot by Pineda. Able to return it are the Lady Tamaraos. Zapata keeps it up. Pineda again off Kasugod. You cannot have single blockers against Sheila Pineda, no matter if you're Kasugod. She's too good to angle.
Yeah, very smart.
Yes. 3-6 for Adamson.
Huwag mo na blocker. Okay, tumatama lang, hindi nakuha ng kasama. Okay? Boss, diskarte pa. Ang blocker mo sa dulo, maliit. So, huwag ka lamang igil. Okay? Kung alam mo nakatras, pwede mo iuwi sa likod mo blocker. Okay? O, habulan. Tsaga lang. Huwag mo yan lumayo, ha? Sige lang. Bago mag-20, kailangan mahabulan yan. Dahan-dahan, ha?
Look at that. One blocker. Oh, this is the angle earlier. Oh, it was. Now, okay. Now I'm second guessing myself. Was it the shadow that I saw? That's a reaction because they called it out. Was it the shadow that I saw? Or do you think it was in?
Well, you know, they would always, I would ask before it, the linesmen, no? If the line, if you don't, if it does not disappear in our vision, which it didn't,
Okay.
it means it's in.
Okay.
In that vantage point.
Right. Well, Sheila Pineda had a chance to put that away, but she overcooks that attack. So it's a point for FU, they're up 5.
You know what's nice about Sheila Pineda is this season, she started out the season just about spiking and hitting, and then she's getting blocked.
Right.
And then as the season progressed, we saw the versatility in her game.
I think also there's a second wind to her. Remember we were talking about how I felt like Van Pineda looked like she was burnt out in round number 1 because of the years of playing and the off-season volleyball, beach volleyball, and all the other leagues.
Hello, tita. Pamahon. Lolo. Milo. Sinapay.
Now she's getting a little bit of a second wind also physically. There's more energy to her.